If there's 14,604 ways where it goes wrong, then why play? If we got one chance to win, make room, I be going in. Ayy, cause I'm a beast on a mic, Thanos on a mission. Lyrics trying to get your mind stoned like it's vision. Kinda like roaming off, hard guy with precision. When I get to going off, the greatest you'll ever witness, like Tony Stark in the suit when I blast fast. I swear that you're invisible.
Guys, this is Straight Day back at it again. Today I'm going to show you how to spawn in the gift shadow more within the event coins banner. Now he's super rare to find within the event coins, and that's a bummer, especially for me. I'm trying to finish both of the banners within this coins. Now let me show y'all a trick on how to get this little mother. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to curse, so I have to censor myself. But anyway, so yeah, you want to go over here to your events, push filter, go to your enemy perks, and pick out which one gives you the best plus perks to help you get the gift shadow spawning more. So me, I picked my Clover Crown, that gives you a +4, or you could go ahead and pick your Mickey Visor if you're a boy or a girl. That's gonna give you a +4 as well, and that's where you're going to help out a lot. And for my other one, I picked Balloon. Here you do your Louis, I give you a +4, or Swirling Hearts, they also give you a +4. And for my hands or gloves, I got the Halloween Sword gloves, but that's only giving you a +2. But all that, and check your total, and that gives you a +10. Ooh, I did not see that. Okay, that gives me a +4. Or just me personally, I would pick something that'll help me a lot. That helps you spawn in the gift shadow more. So whichever one give you a higher number, go ahead and equip that to your character. Now go back to your quest. Go to events. Go back to your event coin banner, and now here's the trick. This is recommended for me, but I'm also recommending for you guys. Go to the beginning or the events. No, not the events, or go to medium. That's what I call it. Do not go to advanced. If you want, yeah, you could go ahead if you want to, but that will cost you 40 HP AP. This is also pricey, but you could do it over and over again. With this, you're gonna have what, 3 to 4 times this, 5 to 10, and this one how much you like. And let me show y'all a demonstration. For this, I'm using my fairy stars. Let's do it. And he should spawn in right away. He didn't spawn in right away, but you get just keep going and keep doing that, and keep recycling the steps until eventually you will spawn in more, and that'll help you get all the stuff you need so you can finish the banner. Now what he drops is very rare. He can either drop 2200 event coins or 500 event coins. It depends on which mode you're in. But if you really want to get that 200, go to advanced, and he will drop either 500 or 22 coins, and that will help you finish up your event boards. But that's it for today. Thank y'all so much for watching. If y'all like this video, hit it with a thumbs up, comment, share. Please subscribe for more of Trade Day. No, I'm just kidding, but please consider subscribing. Let's get this channel to 300. I can do with y'all help. Thank y'all so much for watching. Until then, may your hearts be your guiding key, and anyone could be a hero. Trade Day, I'll see you guys in another one. Peace.
Should I take a leap? Hey, should I take a leap? Taste what a bit too sweet. All my life.
Ciao.